Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. During the festive season and during the holidays, we generally tend to bake a lot, be it cakes, cookies or sweet treats. Today I'm going to share a wonderful cake recipe with you guys with a combination of coffee and walnuts. We're going to make this rich and moist coffee walnut cake. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. For this, to a bowl, add 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour maida. We're going to sift all the ingredients. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, quarter teaspoon salt, to a bowl, add 3/4 cup of unsalted softened butter. First, I'm going to cream the butter. So once you've creamed the butter, add 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Cream the butter and sugar till it's all well combined. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs to this mixture, one at a time. So after adding each egg, just mix it well. So don't beat it too much, just beat it till it's combined well. After adding all the 3 eggs, beat the batter till it's a bit light and fluffy. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I've made very strong black coffee decoction with 1.5 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So we're going to add this in 3 parts. Add a little bit of the coffee, add a little bit of milk, and add a little bit of flour. So don't over mix it. So repeat the order, add a little bit of the coffee decoction, add a little bit milk, and then add the flour. So finally, I'm going to add the remaining coffee decoction, add a little bit of the milk. So I'm just going to save a little milk for later. If I need it, I will add that. Next, add the remaining flour. So totally, I've added 1 cup of milk. So I've had saved a little bit of milk, which is adding all of that. Now the batter is ready. Now for this coffee walnut cake, I've taken 1 cup of whole walnuts. And I've chopped it into nice small pieces. Walnuts are extremely versatile and healthy. They are a must-have ingredient for holiday baking, and adding just a handful of walnuts to your mixing bowl is a great way to make your favorite bakes tasty, nutty, wholesome and delicious. I've greased 2 8-inch cake tins. Now pour the cake batter and divide it equally between both the tins. Gently tap the cake tins to release any air bubbles. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Bake the cakes at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. So when you insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean, it's an indication that the cake is baked through. Cool the cakes completely. Now I'm going to make the coffee buttercream frosting. For this, to a bowl, add 250 grams of icing sugar. Add 145 grams of unsalted softened butter. Next, add 1 teaspoon of strong coffee decoction. So next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Just whip everything together. So once everything is combined, turn it off and keep it aside. You can decorate the cake as you please. I'm decorating by adding a few chocolate sprinkles. So finally, I'm going to decorate the cake with walnuts. Adding these walnuts is going to give a little crunch, unique taste and texture. Wow, the coffee walnut cake looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to have a bite of that. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious and moist coffee walnut cake with this nice strong coffee flavor and those crunchy walnuts topped with this beautiful and rich coffee buttercream frosting. Enjoy this cake with your family and friends and celebrate this festive season.